Hanggang silip na lang ba ako? This is my view from my room. No, I will not forget this vacation kasi it caused a lot of hassles. It caused a lot of hassles kasi hindi mo pwedeng gawin yung usual na routine mo pag ikaw ay mag-bakasyon or just to, mag-travel. Kasi marami requirements, marami kang dapat pagdaanan because of this pandemic. So, it's an experience actually. Yeah. Ang daming experience na actually it's a realization na rin how important time is. Kasi imagine mo, you are here housed in the hotel for a couple of it's a week, let's say 6 to 7 days. So it's the amount of time na sana na-spend mo na lang sa family, but walang magawa kasi it's a protocol that we have to follow for the safety na rin ng mga family natin at yung mga makakasama ba, makakasalamuha, ganyan. So sana I know it's not my only wish, but only yung mga wish ng karamihan na sana matapos na tong worldwide problem, pandemic, COVID-19. It changed a lot. It changed everything kasi from the way na, simple traveling, mga simple na plans na hindi na fulfill kasi ang daming restrictions. So, ngayon, so time is really important. And, alam mo yun, yung time na binavalue mo yung everyday na pupunta ka, everyday that's passing kasi, it's day 1, it's day 2, it's day 3, masok na ako bukas. I have my results, I'm going home. Yun, so, and then pagdating sa province, another quarantine, then, yun. Anyway, no, the important thing for me, kahit na daming hassle ba, important thing is, I can see my family, I can see my parents really. Ay, nako, it's a lot of, paghintay ba, just to come here. So, ayun. Dungo-dungo na lang. And soon, I'll be able to mingle with the people I wanted to see, to spend time with. So, for now, ito muna tayo sa view. View ng city. Ayan. And Manila Bay.